this is my ASEA story. I was approached by some, oh, and by the way, I'm 55 years old. I live in Winter Haven, Florida, and I'm a retired professional barefoot water skier. So for the last 20 plus years, I've traveled all over the world competing and teaching in barefoot water skiing. I was on the US barefoot team in 1992, 1994, 96, 98, 2000, 2002, 3, 5, and 6. And we were world champions that entire time, and I also was an individual world champion, national champion, and I'm saying this because I was told that I need to, as it's part of my story, otherwise I wouldn't probably say this, but I'm being inducted into the Water Ski Hall of Fame April 26th of this year. And so in about 8 months ago, I was having so much difficulty, and I was at a crossroads of a lot of difficult things happening all at once. 15 years ago, I was diagnosed with a liver disease that they said was incurable, and it was an autoimmune disease, or it is an autoimmune disease, and I had basically dealt with it, lived with it, and they had told me there is no possible way other than getting a liver transplant that I can deal with this. So after I retired from barefoot water skiing when I turned 50, actually, I started doing CrossFit. So I trained CrossFit really hard, and it was a great way to transition from being a professional athlete to having something very challenging, but it was extremely hard on my body. And although I was making great fitness strides, my daily life was very difficult. I wasn't able to sleep, and I was told in one of my regular doctor visits about a year ago that because of the complication of my liver disease and other complications that they had found, that I needed to check into the Shands Hospital, get on a transplant list, and things were definitely spiraling rapidly. And I was extremely troubled. I was looking for any possible way out of checking myself in and realizing that my awesome family would probably suffer because of all this. I have an awesome wife, Cindy. We have 2 boys, Zane and Peyton. Our oldest, Zane, we adopted from Korea when he was 4 months old, and I have a 11-year-old who's about to turn 12, Peyton, who we adopted from China, and God has blessed us with an awesome family. I did not want to be away from them, and I knew that what was most likely about to go down was going to be a witch hunt to try and find what exactly was going wrong, in addition to my liver disease. On top of this, I was now so uncomfortable that I could not sleep, and I had been out in our living room sleeping, well, not really sleeping, but because I knew that I was keeping my wife up, it was just too difficult. So it was 3 months probably, I'm guessing it was, at that time when someone contacted me about ASEA. And it is very likely I was possibly one of the most skeptical people out there. And I would say I was borderline mean to my upline, which includes the amazing Danny, Diamond Danny. And I was so skeptical, but I really wanted it to be true. I wanted to believe what they told me. I had just been taken so many times. I'd spent so much money, but I knew that I was facing multiple surgeries and other things that were going to drastically change my life. And at this point, I had transitioned into the training for CrossFit and was doing just a little bit of competing, and my body was definitely, it was taking a toll. It was not recovering well. I was definitely getting a lot of challenges, not the least of which were my knees and joint pain. And so at the top of my list were these challenges with joints, knees, blah, blah, blah. And that's when I was approached, and thank the Lord I took a chance and listened to these guys, and I'm so thankful they were patient enough to put up with all that I put them through. So I decided to take a chance, and I ordered a SIA, the drink, and I ordered the Renew 28 gel. And as soon as the gel arrived, I very quickly, as prescribed, 3 times in 5 minutes, put it on both knees, and I started the drink, and I was ecstatic to find out in the first 5 minutes such a dramatic change in my comfort that I was immediately calmed down. And I really questioned whether it could possibly be from that, but I was so upset from having to take so much Advil and Aleve, which is horrible for your liver. And as athletes, a lot of times we take a lot of that stuff, maxed out dosage. For sure, I'd taken ibuprofen and Aleve and other things for 20 years. I'm talking 800 milligrams 3 times a day, and that absolutely took a toll on my body. I didn't realize that till much later. And what I started to find out was that it was extremely possible that I was going to now get past some of the uncomfort that I was experiencing in my joints. It started to change dramatically, and there were issues that were really challenging for me that I did not tell these guys about, because my main concern was the discomfort in my knees and my joints. So when they, like good associates, followed up with me to ask how I was doing, they asked if I had any other health concerns. I had not told them about my liver disease or some of the other issues, so they wisely informed me that the SIA would be triaging and going through the cells in my body, and it would most likely not be targeting my knees in the drink, but most likely be going after my liver, which would probably be the highest target for the redox molecules. So I decided right then and there, I'm going to either have to have a bunch of procedures and knee surgeries, maybe multiple ones. I'm going to take a risk. I'm going to try this out, and I'm not going to do it for 30 days or 60 days. I'm definitely going to do it for 90 days. And some of the side effects were so dramatic that I had not even considered or told these guys about some of the things that were happening, because it wasn't currently on my radar, and I didn't think in my wildest dreams that it would help with this. So here's what happened. Within several weeks, I had an immediate change in depression. I had lived with depression for probably 7 years, in addition to not sleeping well at all. And as an athlete, that's just, it's unbearable, because your body never recovers. And it may have been quicker than 2 weeks, I started sleeping like a baby. It was amazing. And I woke up with this feeling. I remember the day that it happened, it was a specific feeling, like a thought that was in my head very strong of everything's gonna be okay. And I know that because I'm actually a very positive person. But the fact that that was so prevalent in my thoughts was actually a shock, because I was waking up every day for years dealing with the difficulties of depression. So that was just amazing to me that this could possibly happen. So on top of that, I was now experiencing, okay, so now I'm getting better sleep. Now my mood is dramatically elevated. And I thought, you know what? This is working so well that let's roll the dice. Let's go longer than 3 months, and then let's go to 6 months. And then the real kicker would be if I could sorry about that. The real kicker would be if I could go to my doctors, get blood work, and if there would be any change in my liver disease, which they track by liver enzymes. And when I went to my doctor, it's now been about a month, they actually came in and interrogated me as to what is it that you are doing, because we don't see changes in blood work this dramatically. And just so you know, my liver enzymes had escalated so much that they were 5 and 10 times elevated. So they were at the level where you need to get on the transplant list. These guys with the other diagnoses were very, very concerned about my health, and it was basically at a 911 situation. So now, only 6+ months later, I'm in there, and not only and this is the amazing thing, is multiple things started happening that I was very surprised, because I was already, you know, trying to eat well, and because I was working out at a very aggressive pace. Now, I had done this for many years, so my body was, you know, this wasn't new. But what was new is that my waist size dropped dramatically, that I just couldn't believe. And then I started reading that it actually pulls from the fat stores around your waist. Most likely it pulls from the fat stores around your waist and metabolizes that fat as energy for endurance athletes. I was shocked to find the changes in my body. And now, like I said, I'm 55 years old, and unquestionably I am stronger and leaner and amazingly lighter than I was at the peak of my professional barefoot water skiing career. That just seems, to me, that blows my mind. Never in my wildest dreams did I think that I could get that healthy. I had heard some other great stories of some other older athletes in ASEA, and that just was a huge encouragement to me. But to see that happen for myself, and I mean, I don't use any product on the skin right now except the drink I take, and of course the Renew 28 I put on my knees. But my face, my skin, which they say to watch for, is literally better than 25, 30 years ago. It's very surprising. And I want to share this with you guys, because there's so many people out there that just are hoping and praying that, you know, that God will lead them to a solution that will, you know, I just believed in my heart there had to be a way. Your body's $1 trillion machine. There has to be a way that your body can handle and repair itself. And Redox molecules, ASEA, provided me that solution. And I am so incredibly grateful. And I hope this encourages someone out there, because, you know, everything from everything in my story, there's so many people that I run into now, and it's so awesome to actually have a solution to share with them that could, you know, our company motto is expect a miracle, and now we have miracle molecules. So putting those two things together for us is just, it's awesome, and it makes every day awesome. So anyway, I hope this encourages someone out there, and God bless you guys, and have a great day.